Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Thursday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 1st of August 2024. US Dow Jones rose 0.24%, settling the day at 40,842.79 while Nasdaq ended the session at 17,599.40, rising 2.64%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 37,847.19 and Hang Seng is trading at 17,344.13. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 25,096.50, indicating a start in green for the Indian market. FII sold 3,462.36 crore in the cash market in the last trading session. Infosys gets GST demand for alleged tax evasion of 32,000 crore rupees. Company says it has paid all dues. Tata Steel may need to pay over 17,000 crore rupees to Odisha government as minerals tax. Now talking about global aspects, Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell said interest rates could be cut as soon as September if the US economy follows its expected path. Private businesses in the US added 122,000 workers to their payrolls in July. Crude oil inventories in the US fell by 3.43 million barrels, firmly above market expectations of a 1.6 million barrel draw. WTI rose 4.26% to settle at $77.91 a barrel and the Brent settled up 2.66% at $80.72 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 103.74. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.04%, down. Here is a recap of Wednesday's trading session. The Indian benchmark indices exhibited range-bound movements on the main expiry of Bank Nifty, despite of volatility spike. SEBI's crackdown on F&O regulatory measures aims to make the ongoing rally healthier and less speculative. The Sensex gained nearly 300 points, concluding the day at 81,741.34, while the Nifty ended at 24,951.15. The overall sectoral landscape remained positive, except for the realty and energy sectors, which faced minor losses. Outlook for the day. Nifty 50 is currently consolidating within its previous range, with the 25,000 level acting as a hurdle. A fresh bullish momentum is anticipated if the index breaks and sustains above this level, with potential upside targets towards 25,300. Support is placed at 24,700 level. Below this we can see a profit booking till 24,400 levels. Increased selling pressure is likely to emerge only if the index falls below this level. Overall, the market structure remains bullish with buy on dips approach. Nifty Bank remains in a sideways to bullish trend. Key support is identified at 51,200, with resistance levels at 52,000. A sustained move above 52,000 could take the index towards 52,300 levels. Conversely, a break below the 51,200 support level may trigger selling pressure, potentially driving the index down towards 50,700. Stocks on radar are NTPC, NCC, Granules, Tata Communications, Jubilant FoodWorks. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.